So, students, starting with chapter number 13, ledger. Ledger is very, very important. Ledger means a book where all the transactions, which are recorded in different books, in the books of journal and subsidiary books, all the transactions will ultimately find their place. The final place of all the transactions is the book of journal, the book of ledger. In this ledger, you will find each and every transaction placed according to their type, or you can say nature, right? All the transactions of similar nature, or you can say all the transactions relating to a particular account will be recorded at one place. In this book, in the book of ledger, you will find all the transactions, each and every transaction related to a particular account will be found at one place. If you want to see any transaction in journal or subsidiary books, you can of course see there, but you will not get how much we have to pay to Mr. Mohan, how much we have received from somebody, right? How much is the income earned, how much sales we have done, because the transactions will be at different places. Transaction of sales will be at different places. Transactions of purchase will be at different places according to the chronological order. According to the chronological order, one entry will be somewhere else, another entry will be after 3 days, after 4 days, after 5 days. So it would be very, very difficult for anyone to know the exact amount spent or income earned or different expenses what we do. It is very difficult. So what happens? What we do is we make a ledger. Ledger means an account where all the transactions of that relating to that particular account will be put together. All the transactions related to Mahima will be put at one place. महिमा ने पैसे दिए हैं, लिए हैं, सामान खरीदा है, राइट? और कोई डिस्काउंट उन्हें दिया गया है, कमीशन दिया गया, एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू महिमा will find a place in Mahima's account. We will make an account, we will make a ledger. Ledger means account. We will make a ledger of Mahima only. And we will write all the transactions related to Mahima in that place, in that account. Then finally, when we will total it, debit side and credit side, we would be able to know how much we have to pay to Mahima, or how much Mahima has to pay to us in personal account. When we make an account of a particular person or party, then we come to know about how much is to be paid to them or how much is to be received from them. So very important, when we make transactions, when we do all these entries in different books, it should be taken care of that the transactions should be related to a particular account. All the transactions related to Sahiba should be recorded in Sahiba's account. In the book of ledger, every page will be of a different account. On every page, we will open a new account in ledger. And all the transactions related to that account from the book of journal, from different subsidiary books, and from cash book, we will record in that particular account. All the transactions which will be related to that particular account, right? So, इसके advantage यही है. When we make the ledger, it is very easy for us to find how much, as I told you, how much we owe to others, how much others owe to us, what is the actual sales, total sales during the particular period, or how much is earned, how much commission has been earned. Each and every transaction will be recorded. No transaction will be left over. No transaction will be left over. Therefore, it is a very, very important book, and is the final book. After preparing this book ledger, we prepare a trial balance, and after trial balance, we go to prepare trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. So unless this book is prepared, the ledger, other books cannot be prepared. Therefore, also it is very important that the book of ledger is prepared. When we prepare this book, we come to know also how much, as I told you, different answers we get. Different results can be obtained by preparing this ledger. Ledger means account. Ledger means account, and all the transactions related to a particular account should be recorded in that particular place. That particular place. So वो transaction चाहे कहीं भी हो, whether it is in the book of ledger, whether it is in the book, in the book of journal, or in any subsidiary book, or in a cash book, we will record it in the ledger finally. We will record it in the ledger finally. So now, what is the format? All of you look in your book and also draw with me the format of ledger. All of you will also draw. All of you will draw it. Number 1, date. Particulars. Journal folio, JF. Then again same thing, date, particulars, whenever you are going to make any ledger, the format will be same. Performa. This is known as performa. All the performas will be similar, right? ये सब account के, ये इनको account भी कहते हैं. Ledger is also known as account. It is also known as account. So this performa will be made by you every time you are going to make a ledger. तो ये अलग-अलग जो परफॉर्मा बनाएंगे, you have to only change the name. इसके ऊपर आप लिख दीजिए मशीनरी, तो ये मशीनरी का लेजर हो जाएगा. यू राइट सेल्स, ये सेल्स का लेजर हो जाएगा, राइट. यू राइट मिस्टर मोहन, ये मिस्टर मोहन का लेजर हो जाएगा. यू राइट देवांग, दिस विल बी द लेजर ऑफ देवांग. यू राइट सुजन, इट विल बी द लेजर ऑफ सुजन. So whenever we will make any ledger or account, we say we will write all the entries related to that particular ledger, that particular account in either debit side or credit side, right? And it is known as ledger posting. When we transfer entries or transactions from the book of original entry journal or subsidiary book to ledger or to a particular account, it is known as ledger posting. Ledger posting. Posting means transferring of entries from the books of original entry to the respective account. To the respective account. it is known as ledger posting. Very important chapter it is. And only thing is you should know कि एंट्रीज को कहां से आपको यहां लिखना है डेबिट साइड में, और कब आपको एंट्रीज को क्रेडिट साइड में लिखना है. All of you have made the ledger, performer of ledger. Show me like this your notebook. In the front of camera, show me your notebook where you have copied the performer of ledger. Everybody raise your notebook. Yes, साहिबा, अंकित, और कैमरे से थोड़ा दूर बैठा करिए. आई हैव टोल्ड यू सो मेनी टाइम्स. Sit little back from the camera. Okay, don't touch the camera again and again. Good. Now everybody knows before this we have already done all the things which are required now in ledger. Whenever you are asked to prepare a ledger, you have to make journal entries first. You have to do journal entries first. First of all, you will do journal entry, then only you will be able to do the ledger. Then only you will be able to do the ledger. If journal entries are wrong, if you do journal entries wrong, then your ledger will be totally, you will be wrong in ledger also. If you want to do ledger correctly, you will have to do first journal entries correctly. Journal entries must. All of you open illustration number 1. Illustration number 1. All of you will open illustration number 1 so that I can tell you here how you will transfer entries from journal to different ledgers. Journal to different ledgers. I will tell you how you will transfer entries from journal to ledger. All of you open and see the journal entries for the following transactions, and you have to post them into ledger. So सबसे पहले तो आप देख लीजिए, in the books of C.R. Ram and Sons, the journal entries are done. Ansika Bhatia, what is the first journal entry?
Cash account to capital account. Cash account debit to capital account.
Okay, cash account debit to capital account. I can ask from anybody. So be ready. Be ready to respond. Okay, be ready all the time. Take note. Cash account debit to capital. Push Piplani will tell me how many entries are there total in which cash is involved. Total entries count कीजिए अप्रैल 1 से लेकर अप्रैल 30 तक, और टिक लगा लीजिए अपनी बुक में जिसमें कैश आ रहा है. इन जनरल एंट्रीज में जिस एंट्रीज में भी कैश है, उन सभी एंट्रीज को आप टिक लगा लीजिए एंड बी रेडी टू आंसर. संजना, be ready to answer what are those entries in which cash is involved. Sanjana, can you see? You have the book? Sanjana, can you listen?
Yes, sir.
Do you have the book?
No.
Then how you will understand, and how half session is going to be over, still you don't have book, right? Then how you will understand बेटा? पीछे का भी फिर नहीं किया होगा आपने अभी. Book is must. Book is must. Varun, do you have the book?
Oh, sir.
Exams are approaching. Next month you have the exams after 15 days and you don't have book. Do you want to purchase it next year? It's very, shameful that you are saying, no, sir, I don't have book. Half the session is over. Pushp Piplani, now you tell me how many entries are there in which there is cash involved. Did you count? आवाज आ रही बेटा आपकी? अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को। नहीं, आपकी आवाज आ रही है। महिमा,
Yes,
how many entries are there in which cash is involved?
sir, 10 entries.
10 entries are there. Just tell the dates.
1st April,
Okay.
3rd April, 5th April.
Okay. 1st April, 3rd April, 5th April,
14th
14 April,
14th April, 15th
15
April,
April,
April.
15,
then there is
20 April, 20 April,
21,
21, 22,
22,
25,
25 and
30.
30.
and 30, sir. And 30, sir.
Okay, okay, very good. All those who have seen, and please tick. These are the entries in which cash is involved. Now, everybody pay attention. All those who are in the class, pay attention, because only you are going to learn it today. The process of transfer entries from journal to ledger, and the first ledger which we are preparing, अभी हमने कैश की बात करी है, तो हम मान लेते हैं कि हम कैश वाला ही लेजर बना रहे हैं, राइट? कैश अकाउंट. Now you will understand better what I meant by saying. आपको बेटा क्या पता चल रहा है? ये जो पूरे अप्रैल महीने का जो लेजर जनरल बना हुआ है, कैन एनीबॉडी टेल कितना कैश आया है और कितना कैश गया है? By seeing the ledger, by seeing the ledger, you will not be able to answer how much cash is received or how much cash payment has been made, because are at different places. But my dear student, if you want, then you can prepare this cash account now, and from this cash account you can find how much cash we have in our hand, how much cash we received, and how much payment was made. So Ansika Bhatia told the first entry is cash account debit to capital account. All of you are clear with it? First entry, first journal entry is cash account debit to capital account. So Tamanna will tell me, pay attention. Tamanna will tell me, in this first journal entry, we are looking for cash, because everybody look here, what account we are preparing? We are preparing cash account. Because we are preparing cash account, so in the journal, wherever there is cash, you will first find out whether the cash is debited or cash is credited. cash is debited or cash is credited. First of all, you will find this. So Ansika Bhatia will tell me in the first journal entry whether cash is debited or cash is credited.
Sir, debit.
Very good. In the first journal entry, हरिंदर, cash is debited, मतलब कैश अकाउंट को क्या किया गया है? डेबिट किया गया है. इन द फर्स्ट जर्नल एंट्री ऑल ऑफ यू सी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट. सो वंस यू फाइंड आउट whether the account is debited or credited, and here in this case the cash account is debited, so we will come to the debit side of this account. We will come to the debit side of this account here, and you will write the date April 1st. 1st April, cash account is debited, so we are on the debit side of cash account, and you will write here the another account, the opposite account. Opposite account क्या है इसमें? कैपिटल. साहिबा, अपोजिट अकाउंट कौन सा है? फर्स्ट जनरल एंट्री में कैश के अपोजिट जो अकाउंट है, कैश अकाउंट इज गेटिंग डेबिटेड. सो जो दूसरा अकाउंट है, द अनदर अकाउंट विच इज कैपिटल, यू विल राइट हियर कैपिटल. Once again everybody see, जो भी अकाउंट आप बना रहे हैं, we are making cash account. You will see all the journal entries in which cash is there. Then you will see entry wise. First entry, cash account debit to capital. So in this entry cash account is debited. So अगर cash account debit होगा तो आप डेबिट साइड में एंट्री करेंगे. अगर कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा, यू विल डू द एंट्रीज ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. और कौन सी एंट्री करेंगे? अपोजिट एंट्री. अपोजिट अकाउंट लिखेंगे, जिससे कि ये पता चलेगा कैश आया है. क्यों आया है? बिकॉज कैपिटल इज बीइंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. कैपिटल इज बीइंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द बिजनेस. अब जरा 3rd अप्रैल वाली एंट्री देखिए. अंशिका अरोड़ा, 3rd वाली एंट्री देखिए, और 3rd वाली एंट्री में आपको पता चलेगा, क्या पता चलेगा? दैट कैश अकाउंट इज क्रेडिटेड. क्या एंट्री है वहां पर 3rd वाली? फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट इज द एंट्री. नाउ इन दिस एंट्री कैश इज गेटिंग क्रेडिटेड. कैश क्या हो रहा है इसमें? क्रेडिट. सो वी विल कम टू द क्रेडिट साइड. April 3rd. April 3rd. And we will write here by furniture. By furniture account, how much? 20,000. So simple. If cash, जिसका हम लेजर बना रहे हैं, this one, if the cash is getting debited, we will record the entry on the debit side of this account, and we will record the opposite account. We will record the opposite account. And if cash is getting credited, we will record the entry on the credit side with the opposite account. On the debit side, we will write the word here to, and on the credit side, every account से पहले you will write by. Now, Prince Rotela.
Yes, sir.
What will be the entry for transaction number 15? April 15. On April 15th, क्या
Sir, to sell account.
Yes बेटा, April
Sir,
15 को जनरल एंट्री
to
बताओ
sell
पहले.
account for 40,000. सर 15 की कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल अकाउंट।
वेरी गुड, ये तो जनरल एंट्री हो गई। कैश अकाउंट, सेल्स अकाउंट, वेरी गुड। अब क्योंकि कैश क्या हो रहा है, डेबिट, और सेल्स क्या हो रही है, क्रेडिट, तो कैश तो डेबिट हो रहा है, वी विल कम दिस साइड, वी विल राइट अप्रैल 15, वी विल राइट हियर टू
यस सर।
sales account, to sales account, and we will write the amount 15,000, 15 ये ना 40,000 sir.
सेल अकाउंट सेल।
Yeah, on the debit side we will write two sales because opposite account कौन सा है, sales account. We will write sales account and the entry will be of the amount. Any problem to anyone? Is there anyone who is not getting this point? You have to be you must be very clear with which side we will write. First of all, find out the side. Debit side होगी entry या credit side. Once you have found out the side, then look for the opposite account. So opposite account जो भी है उसको आप वहां पर नोट कर दीजिए। जैसे कि आगे कहां पर आ रहा है, 20 अप्रैल 20 ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश टू परचेज। तो इसमें कैश क्या हो रहा है, क्रेडिट, कैश क्या हो रहा है, क्रेडिट। So we will write by drawing, by drawings कितना, 10,000, 10,000 by drawings on the credit side. ये वाला इलस्ट्रेशन जो है एवरीबडी विल लुक टुडे, इसको पढ़िए इलस्ट्रेशन को और देखिए कि सारे अकाउंट बने होंगे, जितने भी अकाउंट जर्नल में लिखे हैं सबका ऐसे अलग से अकाउंट बनेगा और आपको जर्नल में यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द एंट्री इज देयर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू विल राइट द आंसर on the debit side or on the credit side. All those who are not joining regularly, again I tell you to join the classes regularly because you will also get marks for your attendance, also. It is not only that you are going to get the marks for this, what do we call, the marks are there for your attendance also. Every day the attendance is being taken, every day. So be regular, don't take your studies lightly, prepare for the exam, get your notebooks checked as soon as possible. Within this month, if you do not get your notebooks checked, then it will be marked, not submitted for correction and you will get 0 for your notebook. और काम तो आपको फिर भी करना ही पड़ेगा. Afterwards you will show. All those who are not regular, tell them to be regular. The syllabus is already sent to you. All the subject syllabus you will get very soon. So prepare yourself for the exam. Take care of yourself and God bless all of you for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.